Hydraulic hose failure can occur at any time. When it does, you expect a quick, reliable repair. Hydraulink hose and fittings on-site container workshop solutions provides immediate support where you need it, when you need it, 24/7. Our multi-channel on-site container workshops are available in 10 and 20-foot configurations, with customizable options such as air conditioning, storage and racking systems. All designed to meet your need for fast and efficient hydraulic hose repairs, including parts counter, assembly bench, stock ordering and inventory management, mobile service support or on-site solutions. We provide customised support and expert service at your job site. By deploying a Hydraulink hose and fittings on-site container workshop to your site, you get a one-stop shop for your mixed fleet of plant and equipment. We'll get you fully set up to get the job done in minutes. Building hose assemblies are easy and efficient with crimp charts and information guides, purpose-designed tooling and a smart workflow design. We provide experienced expert technicians, or we can train your technicians. Our extensive product line offers coverage across all makes and models of plant and equipment, serving your full site needs. Manufactured to our specifications, Hydraulink hoses and fittings matched two-piece system fittings are different by design to deliver outstanding results. We've been servicing all types of industries for decades, resulting in superior materials and expert manufacturing processes, providing you with high durability hose and fittings products that maximise your uptime and increase productivity. Hydraulink products provide unrivaled performance, durability and service on all kinds of mobile and fixed plant equipment. Your equipment is backed by our unique design, development and application knowledge. That's why they call us the best under pressure. Safety is first and foremost with all Hydraulink hose and fittings. We rigorously test our products against industry standards. To maximise safety, our products are provided as a matched system, not as separate components. With a Hydraulink hose and fittings container workshop on your site, your equipment is back to work quickly. Connect your work site to the next level of Hydraulink hose and fittings on-site container workshop solutions. Ask your Hydraulink network partner about our flexible options today. Head to hydraulink.com.au or call us on 1300 36 3734.